Hi there, are you considering the ECOVAC X9 vacuum with mop? I'm Carrie and this is my honest review. I'm going to tell you all there is to know about this robotic vacuum and how it does with pets. One of the really fun things when you get a new robot is you get to name it. So I would like you to meet Rosie. So Rosie is our second ECOVAC robot. We have Alfie on our main floor and we loved him so much that we got Rosie for our upstairs. When you get your robot, here are the power buttons and then here is the Bluetooth button to connect. There are instructions that are so straightforward, very easy process. I'm going to show you the underside. So here is the mop, and then this little brush gets the baseboards and then the vacuum. And then on the front, I'm going to show you the camera. So the camera's on the front and then also the headlight, which you'll see here in just a bit. Now here is the dirty water container for the mopping function, and it's super easy to open and close. And then also on the right, this is the clean water. I love that that is accessed on the top, really easy and convenient. You take this front piece off and then here is the cleaning solution container. That is really easy to open and fill. And then here is your vacuum bag. Very easy to insert and take it out and so on. And we don't have to empty it that frequently. I guess it depends upon how much you have on your, how dirty your floor is or how often you're vacuuming. And then putting the front piece on is easy. And then on the back here, this is where the cord is. Here is the app. It's very intuitive. Here's the map of our floor. It takes a bit for your robot to learn your area, and so the map gets refined over time. Also, there are settings that you can change for your cleaning preferences. And that's something that you just kind of play with over time and see what works best for you. We have Rosie on a schedule. She does our floors every day. So she vacuums and then she does her mopping. We absolutely love having these ECOVAC robots. They have made our life so much easier. Oh my goodness. So happy that we have them. And as far as with our dogs, we have 2 dogs and they don't mess with the robot. They just are curious. They do great. And the robot doesn't hit our dogs or anything like that. It senses them when they're around. So we are very happy with this robot. Highly recommend it.